Jersey out to 20 nautical miles, including Brigantine, Great Egg Inlet and Little Egg Reef, until 4 p.m. At 3:21 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorm. Strong winds 34 knots, or greater from Great Egg Inlet to 12 nautical miles southwest of Great Egg Inlet, or from Great Egg Inlet to Sea Isle City, moving northeast at 20 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near 2 nautical miles southeast of Brigantine by 3:45 p.m. 3 nautical miles southwest of Little Egg Reef by 4 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following marine location. Coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles.